Hello to all. Hello to all. Sorry about that, y'all. I forgot I'm supposed to record it like this. I hope y'all see it real well. Let me tell you something. I will never, ever, ever eat that one again. That is disgusting. Chicken is on it's off. The coleslaw, they got that crap out of the garbage can. The chicken, oh yeah. Ooh, let me tell y'all about the rings, onion rings. The onion rings was ringing all right. Looked like it needed to ring right in the garbage can. Horrible and disgusting. I did a short, so y'all should be able to see it. Y'all see the short, y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna be like, what the heck? The name of the song was called Garbage Truck. Because it tastes like garbage truck. That's why I named it like that. And they ought to be ashamed of themselves, even selling that type of food. Why y'all so that trash to people? Y'all don't care how y'all just feed people. Just when you just feed people any old damn thing. You're supposed to make this food look presentable. We slide it up on the plate and I'm like, oh, here's how it comes. It didn't even taste that good. I brought some home. But I don't even know why I bothered bringing it home. It don't even taste very good. It tastes like slop, mess, crap. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. And if I had to get a review from them, well, guess what? It's not going to be a very nice review. Their review is going to be like a 5. Their food was horrendous. I would have been ashamed of myself even telling people about the food. Aww. Look, man. Look, y'all. This man got a little kitty. Yeah. So adorable. Aww. Oh my gosh. So adorable. Look, y'all. Oh my gosh. He a good boy. Oh, look, y'all. A lady's not even that nice. A lady could be so mean at times. He's a sweetheart. He's a good boy. Aww. Look at him. Oh, look at that sweet boy, y'all. Aww. He's so sweet. He reminds me so much of a lady. But my lady's not as sweet as he is. Okay, y'all. Back to me. That's where the spotlight belongs right now. Yeah, but I will never, ever, ever buy that food again. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. I was thinking about going downtown because I wanted to, I don't know, possibly get something to wear. You know, going to see the Lion King it's going to be spectacular because I did say that I wanted to go see this because first off, it's an all-black play. Okay? I look forward to doing anything that has something to do with us. I'm not. Would you like to go to? I'm not being you know. I'm just being pro-black. I just love being supportive of anything that has anything to do with us. We need to start supporting each other more. I promote that so much, you know. So there's nothing wrong with that. We don't do it enough, and this is why we have a hard time. Bad enough we can't really get along like we're supposed to. We always try and deal with these certain group of people, and we do it with respect. But when it comes to us, we don't treat each other with respect, and it's sad. And we need to really rethink the way we treat each other. The way we treat each other is terrible. And they look at that, and then they feel, oh, well, if they treat each other like that, so we should be able to treat them like that too, because they don't care how they treat each other. This is what I'm saying. We need to start treating ourselves with morals and respect, you know? It goes a long way. The way we treat each other is horrible. We're the only group of people that don't know how to treat each other decently. And I know y'all gotta agree with me. This is a very, very, very good topic. So, y'all should be able to, y'all need to like, click, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below for this one. Because this topic is nothing short of not liking. Everybody gotta agree with me on this topic, especially all of our people. Yes, that include the brown community also. Even though me and somebody that I know, he didn't really agree with me, talking about, oh, they're not brown people, they're brown people, but a lot of them don't want to admit that they're brown people, or either they just want to say, oh, I'm this, I'm that. No, honey, you black just like I am. Okay, so y'all need to get it out your head. Be comfortable. Don't ever say you want to dissociate yourself with us, because it's not gonna make any sense dissociating yourself with us when you belong to us. Only difference about y'all and us is y'all got your own island, and I'm talking about the Dominicans and the Puerto Ricans. That's the only thing. Other than that, yes, you're part of us. I can't stand that. You see, this guy I met over there, like in front of my building, said, he says, oh, I'm from Dominican. I'm Dominican. And I'm looking at him like, okay, and you're just as black as I am, aren't you? That's the only difference is that you come from the Dominican Republic and I come from here. But there's really no difference. At the end of the day, you'll be known as the N-word to them. They won't see you any less or any more. You're just the same thing as us. So we need to stop doing all that, because it's getting ridiculous. It's the way we treat each other based on who we are. It's terrible, and we really need to rethink the way we treat each other, because it's disgusting. We are all the same. We need to come together. We can combat all of this racism and stuff, but we all need to come together. Especially us. It's ridiculous the way we treat each other. Acting like, oh, because y'all a certain group of people, so we just treat each other any old type of way. No. They see that, and they feel like it's okay. Well, because only reason why is because we won't band together like we're supposed to, and that's to be the most important thing of the day, if not the year. All of us together could literally conquer racism. It's ridiculous. No. We need to stop, and we need to stop thinking the way we do, and start moving forward. But anyway, I'm gonna get off of this, because I'm gonna have to go down to the train station, because I think that I'm gonna get something to wear tomorrow, because tomorrow is my big event. Going to see the Lion King. I got the tickets and all. Oh gosh, those tickets were felt like I paid a whole fortune for them tickets. But you know what? It's fine. This is my birthday week, so I'm fine with it. We got like 30 days in September, so I'm going to go out and I'm going to enjoy myself and have myself a good time. So I'm not going to be complaining and fussing and carrying on. That's all. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm very grateful to be the age that I am, because a lot of people in other countries, like in third world countries, they don't even get a chance to be my age. So I'm very grateful for my age. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm gonna have to see y'all later. Okay? I'll talk to y'all when I get out of the train station. I know this is a long video, but this is the video itself is worth being long. It's a very important topic, which we really need to start thinking about. All right, y'all. I'll just text y'all. Oh, geez. I'll get on here again soon. because I'm gonna have to go downtown because I'm gonna go and get. Go back uptown because I'm gonna get an outfit for tomorrow. I don't want to just wear any old thing. Tomorrow's my special day, so I'm gonna enjoy myself while I can. I'm gonna say before I go back to work. Okay. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, click, share, and subscribe. Okay, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below. Don't be scared to leave a comment down below.